Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367, which is written in the screen. Let me zoom it. Yeah. So our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. And our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. If you have any query, so please call on this number, or you can drop an email to our email ID, which is written in the screen. And I told it earlier, so please feel free to contact if you need any help from us for your mathematical thinking. That means we you can prepare with us for your upcoming examinations like TIFR, ISI, NBHM, and you PUMDET also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a mathematical question which is appeared in the PUMDET in the year of 2024, and the question is telling us that let G be a group and A belongs to G with order of A is 24. Then the order of A to the power 16 will be what? There are four options here which are 8, 3, 16 and 12. This is also a very easy question because we are given that G is a group here and our element will be A belongs to G, has order 24. That means our A to the power 24 has to be identity. So now we need to determine the order of A to the power 16. Okay. So now we are going to define the order of it. That means the order of an element B, let us take it B belongs to G, will be what? Because it is sorry. So the order of the element B in a group is the smallest integer k such that our B to the power k is equals to identity. For our case, we need to find the smallest integer k such that our A to the power 16 whole to the power k is equals to identity. So okay, so now we are going to compute the order of A to the power 16. So now since our A has order 24, so we can write that our A to the power B is equals to identity if and only if our B has to be a multiple of 24. That means our 24 divides B. Thus we have to solve this thing. That means our 16k congruent to 0 modulo 24. So now we are going to find the smallest integer k. We compute, that means our GCD of 16 and 24 is equals to 8. We know that because our 16 is 8 into 2 and our 24 is 8 into 3. So the order of A to the power 16 will be what? So the order of A to the power 16 will be 24 by GCD of 16 comma 24, that is equals to 24 by 8, which is equals to 3. Okay, so the order of A to the power 16 will be what? So there are four options here. We know that our correct answer will be 3. So yeah, let me change my color. So my correct answer is my 3. So yeah, so this is our option B. Okay, again I am telling that if you have any mathematical query, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact. Then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions and our online classes, so that will be beneficial for you. Okay, thank you guys, hope you understood. Thank you.